how to view GCash referral code. Now, all I have to do first is just by simply pulling out your GCash application and then just log into your 4-digit PIN. Now, once you are fully logged in, just simply go to view all services and you'll now then be rerouted to this page. So these are all the services that GCash offers. And as of 2024, GCash haven't provided that feature yet to view your referral code and then have them to a new user or any user that haven't created a GCash account. But instead, they have this specific referral program that's going to be jobs. So under enjoy, just press on jobs and you will be redirected to a different page in which you will get or you will earn a certain amount of money out of referring any friends that you have in mind for this kind of businesses that Gcash offers. So they have BPO, sales marketing, hotel and restaurant, logistics, transportation, and so on and so forth. So you just have to follow through all these necessary steps and send these referrals to a friend you have in mind, and you will be eligible to earn funds from those programs. So again, you cannot view yet your referral code as of 2024 because Gcash haven't initiated that feature yet.